Hello guys, this is Deb Campus again. Welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be talking to you guys about ultra lightweight cooking system for backpacking or camping, or lightweight cooking system for for backpacking. Hi, today I'm talking about ultralight backpacking and also ultralight cooking system. Um, I don't consider myself a ultralight backpacker, but I do consider myself a lightweight backpacker. The reason why I have gone to so much extent to be able to reduce my weight on my backpack is just for comfort. Um, it's hard to carry something heavier and something lighter, and I know a lot of people go like, whoa, it's just a few ounces, but they add up, and soon they're a pound or 2 pounds, and that 5 pounds, 10 pounds. So sometimes that's when you start feeling all that. So if you can reduce in every single part of your backpack, every system, you know, your nutrition, your sleeping system, your shelter, every time that you reduce ounces, it adds up, and you know, you can reduce your weight very fast, and you'll notice the difference. I did, because I made a mistake of going on one trip with 25 pounds on my back, and that was tough. So I definitely want to do anything I can to travel lighter. So today I'm talking about cooking. So how to make your cooking as light as possible without sacrificing, you know, the plates and the cups. You know, I see some people do that. They don't take their plates, they don't take cups, but I try to, just because I like it. So here's what it is. I am showing you guys what works for me, and hopefully you can take some of it or all of it and adopt to yourself. So backpacking is something very unique to the person and to the way you feel comfortable, to how you like to travel. So with that in mind, don't feel this is all set in stone, but it's just, I'm showing you how I do my lightweight cooking system. But you have to look what's good for you, and sometimes you get bits and pieces from here and there, and that's when you actually are able to come up with your own system and maybe teach other people, and that's how we do it in the backpacking community. So another thing I wanted to talk to you guys, I do have links on the description. I will be putting all my, for certain things that I have here, and if you feel interested, please use those links. They are part of how I plan to support my channel. No cost to you. It's on Amazon. Most of the things are on Amazon, so Amazon can give you a lot of, you know, options. If you're a Prime member, it's so much better, because, you know, you can just return things when you don't like, test it out, don't like it, return, you know, buy something else, and they're very fast on the refunds too. So I have bought most of my gear on Amazon, and I'm very happy with that, because I made so many mistakes buying heavy stuff, wrong stuff, and buying on Amazon was a peace of mind. Second thing, here where I live in Cedar City, Utah, there's not much options, you know, when it comes to stores and retail. So actually Amazon was a big help for me. I think there's just one Outfitters store here, so, and they're very expensive and I don't have the money. So so that's it. That's I wanted to explain to you how I do my ultralight system, ultralight or lightweight system for my cooking, and then we'll go from there. So I'm going to show you now how item per item, and how much it weighs, how much it costs. It costs for me. It's a cute little bird. So here you are, guys. This is my cooking system. This is what I take with me for backpacking, and it works. There are a few things here that are different, and I want to suggest to you guys, just because, you know, as a mom, and we always tend to find solutions for everything. So my first thing that I wanted to talk to you guys is these two items here. You probably don't see in many videos for backpacking for a cooking system. I try foldable plates, foldable cups. They're still very heavy. They're around 3 ounces each. I also tried even titanium. They're still in the 3 ounces weight. So what I decided to do is actually, these are actually those takeaway Rubbermaid. They're very lightweight, very sturdy. They're microwavable and they're freezable, so they can take any temperature, boiling water specifically. Same thing to this one. This one, the takeaway Rubbermaid, came in 3, a package of 3, so it's about $1 each. And this one also came in 3. It's about $1.50. No, not even that. It's about $1 also each. So this one, 0.9 ounces. This one, 0.8 ounces. $2, both together. This is my titanium spork. Very handy. I like cooking with it. Some people use the long handle. I don't need it, so it's very easy and lightweight. This is a 0.5 ounces, half of an ounce weight, and it does cost me, it came with 2 on Amazon. It came with 2 of them for $16.99, so it's $8.50 a piece. I'm adding the description, the links in the description below. This is my canister, fuel canister. I'm not counting this in the weight because we don't count that as a base weight. It's a consumable and it changes just like food and water, so it's not counted when people talk about base weight. So, but I wanted to show you guys, this is what I use. I bought it at Sportsman's for $4.95, very affordable. I've taken already in 2 backpack trips and it's still pretty full. So this is my bag to put my cooking system inside. This right here, it's my titanium cooking pot, and I'm gonna put on a picture on the screen how it comes. It actually comes with a lid. This pot takes 950 ml. The lid takes 650 ml because it's also a pot, but you can use it as a lid. The price of both of them together was $39.99 on Amazon. I'm also including the link. I only use this one. I don't use the lid. Sometimes I do if I bring my kids with me and I want to do like a scrambled eggs or something, or 2 things at once. So this is my little sponge. It's 0.1 ounce. I just cut the rough part and kept it. This is what I wanted to talk to you guys about. Soap. So I use powder soap for dish, like the dish washer powder soap. One thing that I like is that it's powder. Second, it's doesn't make suds, so it's actually much better. And what I do is I bought a bag with 12 of these containers here, and I use for other cosmetics too. It's a 15 ml squeezable bottle. I'm gonna put the link in the description. I think I said that already. So these are very good because when you go backpacking, it's like usually 3 to 5 days, and you don't need any more than this. So sorry, it's got stuff on it, but that's what happens in the backcountry, right? You get stuff all over your stuff. So this is a lighter. So this came up to be 8 ounces altogether, and it cost me about $1 per unit, but very, very usable. lighter, 0.9 ounces. And I forgot to take my, this is the BRS. It's called the BRS titanium stove. Very lightweight, 0.9 ounces. I will put the link in the description. I went with a lot of bad stoves before I decided to buy this one. There you go. It's very lightweight, and it goes right here. You screw it on top of it, and then it holds your pan really firmly, which I like also. But the other stoves that I went with, they broke, and they were too heavy or just broke. So I'm happy with this one. Not even an ounce in weight. And this is a lid, windscreen that I made for myself. So I put it like this. Actually, when it's very windy. What I did is I bought those cookie trays at Walmart, which is like $1 or $2. And then I put my stove like this. And so I did 3 sides so that it has still some air. $1, and it weighs 1.3 ounces. So very easy. When I need to put it away, I just fold it in 3, and I keep it in the back of my backpack, so rarely, you know, gets damaged or anything. It's very, very sturdy, very firm. You can also make a lid for this pot with the same tray. And that's it. That's all together. This whole system all together, it's without the fuel, it's 13.7 ounces. 13 ounces, 13.7. So way under a pound. Like I said, not counting with the fuel. And it costed me $72. So some items on you buy, sometimes just the pot, it's about $80. Titanium pots. So I guess I got a really good price. I also usually have a little towel. Oh, there it is. I forgot to add this. This is the little towel. It's a cleaning cloth for glasses or cameras, but I love this for my dishes because it has texture and it's extremely lightweight. It's 0.5, so it goes well with everything else. So that weight that I gave you, the total weight, includes also the towel. So like I said, I'm including everything on my description below. So that's it, guys. My cooking system. I hope it helps you guys on some ideas on how to make your cooking system lighter. Like I said, I tried in any way possible and within my budget, the amount of money. I just don't like spending too much money. Nobody does. But I also don't like to sacrifice certain things like a cup and a plate. I do like a cup and a plate. So I searched around, thought about it, what worked. And like I said, the collapsible things are really heavy. Even titanium, they're heavy still. So these right here are very light. So how I put it in all together, I just put it all like this. Because my pan is wider, some people have a taller pan. I have a pot, mine is just wider, and this one you fold it back very easily to fold. You just put it back like this and it turns to be very tiny. I also added right here on my things. And now what I do is I just put it in my bag. Usually goes in easy. Um, put it in my bag like this. Standing. My little cup goes this way on top of the stove, and that's it. I used to have a lot of room in there, but this is it. This is my cooking system. This is what I use, and it works. It works really good. So this one goes in my backpack in the back pocket. So please, I would like to know your suggestions. Do you have anything that you would like to add or suggest that I would like to know? Please include in the comment below, because I think it's a good thing that we help each other and we listen to each other and learn from each other. Backpacking for me has really helped me. It has made a big difference in my life, and it has prevented me to go into depression pills and anxiety pills and all that. I can clearly say, because of backpacking and hiking, I've been keeping myself healthy, and I've made a good choice in my life and for my kids too. So I hope that you can share with you my experience, share with me your experience, and that we can just move on and always be talking in this community. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel, and please like this video too if you liked it. Other than that, I wanted to thank you for watching, and I hope you really make it a good day or a good week, however it works, or weekend, whenever you're watching this. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys soon.